Oraimo is one of the many companies that focus on creating highly competitive value products. They embody the phrase bang for the buck through and through. More than ever, it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to get a good pair of wireless earbuds. Oraimo has done it before and now it has done it again. However, it's doing it quietly, but Oraimo is producing really good earbuds. And the FreePods 3 prove that yet again. It finally brought in new features while also rejigging the inside components like the drivers and the microphones to deliver a more complete package at an affordable price. That's not much, but I still went into this review with moderately high expectations. Here's what I found after using the Oraimo FreePods 3 true wireless earbuds for a few weeks. From Techweez, I am Richard Okenye with the Oraimo FreePods 3 review. So let's take it and go. First things first, Oraimo did a pretty good job with the presentation. The nice box and the neatly arranged package inside. Lifting off the lid are two boxes, one containing the packet with the replaceable silicone rubber tips, while the other has the user guide with the warranty certificate and a Type A to Type C charging cable. The charging case is black with an oblong shape featuring the Oraimo branding, Type C charging ports and LED light indicators. Opening the case, you will see the earbuds tucked neatly inside. You lift them up and remove the protective film, which you'll need to unwrap and pop the buds inside to enter pairing mode. They have a stem-like structure and I like that the tips don't protrude as much as some other earbuds. So you also need to make sure that your laptop and phone's Bluetooth is turned on and the FreePods 3 will show up and let you connect. Next time, actually, when you pop up the case lid up, the FreePods will automatically connect to your device. How cool is that? The earbuds turn off after 3 minutes when not connected to any device, even when inside the case. Each bud has a very snug fit and sits right in the auditory canal, tucked in tightly. Earbuds stay put and don't budge whatsoever. You can boogie dance your way down the streets and these earbuds won't fall out. This means you can run with them on without fear of losing either bud. These buds feel extremely comfortable and never fatigued my ears at any point during use. The head of each earbud has touch panels and they're more responsive and consistent. You can't customize the controls, but the presets are comfortable to use. So this is what you do. Tap twice on one earbud to play or pause media. Tap and hold on the left earbud for 1.5 seconds to go to previous track. On the right earbud, you will go to the next track. On a call, tap twice on an earbud to answer or end the call. Tap and hold one earbud for 2 seconds to reject the call. Tapping 3 times on one earbud activates Google Assistant. That's pretty handy. When earbuds are disconnected, tap 3 times on one earbud to clear pairing list and turn off. Here's something interesting. The FreePods 3 come with IPX5 rating, which means you don't have to worry about sweat or rain coming in the way of your music or your podcasts. Talking of music experience, how does the FreePod 3 sound? When it comes to sound quality, the FreePods 3 are even more of a slam dunk than their predecessors. The buds deliver a very enjoyable listening experience. They are bass forward and pack enough punch for hip hop and EDM tracks. But the powerful low end also translates well to other genres. To my ears, they have a wider, richer soundstage than all of the competition. Regardless of what genre you're playing, the highs are detailed without ever coming off as harsh or shrill. Instruments are also nicely layered with an enveloping soundstage. The buds do a good job of keeping every instrument distinct in the mix. Upper end frequencies can sound a little boosted on some tracks depending on how they were produced, but it's nothing piercing. The buds sound excellent and well balanced to my ears, from Spotify's personalized release radar playlist to any of my queued up podcasts that I like to listen to. A good seal is crucial for the best passive noise isolation, and I was pleased with how these buds managed to subdue outside noise, even without active noise cancellation. That's really cool. FreePods 3 come with 2 modes. the bass mode and the awareness mode, which works when you remove the ear tip so that you don't feel especially blocked off from the outside world when you're outdoors. Another important thing is the mic quality. This time round, the FreePods 3 feature 2 microphones. I actually liked the previous FreePods 2 for their call quality, but the FreePods 3 do improve on that with more clarity, especially if there's some noise going on around you. The dual mic effect works in tandem with the environmental noise cancellation tech the FreePods ship with that uses beam-forming tech for tracking and providing the highest quality voice signal, plus an AI deep neural network algorithm. And this one is to reduce more environmental noise. So much technology just to make sure that you don't get noise. This tech eliminates unnecessary ambient noise in the background. Not only are the touch controls easy for handling calls, but the audio quality is crystal clear. I participated in several phone calls and video chats recently, and everyone said I sounded perfectly crisp. I was the best. The buds had a rock-solid connection stability during my fleeting time outside each day. I didn't notice any audio or video sync mismatches when watching content from YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video on my phone and laptop. The buds have a range of 10 meters. Oraimo managed to cram in a hefty amount of battery life in their buds also. The battery life continued to hit the higher numbers. The earbuds last up to 8 hours per charge. The case also has an extra 4 charges. You can pull a day with these buds and even more when you have the case. The case has Type-C charging, and fast charging is convenient when you need some juice in a pinch. 5 minutes of charge can give you 40 minutes of play. That's a fair exchange. As much as I am taken aback by the earbuds' many upsides, there are some downsides to them as well. There is no dedicated companion app for your phone, so you can't alter the controls or mess around with the equalizer to personalize the sound. Also, it will have been handy to have the auto pause function when you briefly remove one of them. Oraimo has made a pair of wireless earbuds that bridges the gap between a more budget-friendly option and a reliable, all-round great earbud that I was excited to put into my ears every day. Compared to its past wireless earbuds, the refinement and strong performance of the FreePods 3 demonstrate that Oraimo has grown confident and comfortable in this market. A good wireless earbud has to check 4 boxes for me: good sound quality, solid Bluetooth connection, comfortable fit without being too large, and enough battery life for at least 4 hours of continuous listening. Oh, and a good mic is a big plus. There is no shortage of competition at this price, but Oraimo has brought together a compelling mix of features and attractive design, to be honest. Taken as a whole package, the FreePods 3 exceeded what I came in expecting. They are a big improvement over the old in both concept and execution. Their design makes a ton more sense and is much easier to use. They're comfortable to wear, and they're right in lockstep with the competition on most core features. And the company has made impressive improvements to sound quality with the addition of the bass boost. When your budget is tight and you want a real bang for the buck, it's hard to argue against these earbuds I have here. It's hard to see how they aren't among the best in the range, to be honest. You get really good sound, long battery life, improved call quality, and features that are addressing the ambient sounds around you. That's a pretty good menu for an affordable pair of earbuds. And that's it from us at Techweez. We done take it. Now you go.